Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the hair I am working with today. Let me give you guys a quick 360. There we go. So my hair is washed and pre-stretched. It's a little bit stretched. So yeah, this is what I am working with today. So I'm going to be pre-patting the hair. So for the back area, I think I'm gonna do about 2 row of box braid. First row right here. I have the first row out of the way. So now I'm gonna make the section for the second row. Okay, so I have the first and second row. So for the front of the hair, I want 2 braids, one on this side and one on the other side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make the section for that. This right over here. Now I have the section for the 2 front braids. So now I'm going to be sectioning off the front. For sure, I want to close this line right here. It would be kind of all back. Okay. I'm all back. Let's do, you know what? You know what? Okay. Should I do an all back? I think an all back would be good with just the 2 braids coming towards the front. So let's see, go like that. Yes, let's do it that way. So make the section for the first one. I'm gonna do this side off camera. I braided the front right here so I can go out with the hairstyle. So this is what I have. I thought I was gonna finish the hair before heading to church. I actually started late. So deciding to pat the hair before styling, doing the hairstyle itself is actually a lifesaver. What if I started doing the hairstyle and I only had like three braids at the back and then had to go to church looking all crazy, you know? So definitely pre-patting the hair helped. Like this is a whole hairstyle. So I just braided this and put it like that because it wasn't laying flat. I just put them behind my ear like this. Really, really excited to go like that. I need to go to sleep and then do the braiding